Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. So if you use Shopee for shopping online and you have this problem where it says promotion cannot be redeemed, you will have some ways through which you can solve this problem. So what you'll have to do is simply come to Shopee's website. Come to shopee.com, and if you use web browser for shopping with Shopee, you'll have to basically click on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of your web browser, go to settings, and under settings, click on privacy searches and services, and under this option, navigate to clear browsing data. Now click on choose what to clear. After that, select browsing history, select download history, choose cookies and other site data, and make sure you have chosen cache images and files. So click on clear now. After choosing all these options, now cut this out and go back to Shopee's website, reload it, and see if the problem has been solved or not. Try using the promotion code again and see if your problem gets solved or not. If your problem is still persisting, you will have to basically contact to Shopee support. You can try reinstalling the Shopee application and that could solve your problems. And if your problem is still persisting, what you'll have to do is basically go to the search bar and type in Shopee help. Hit enter, and here you can contact Shopee customer services. So that's how you fix promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.